Sino umutot?
Si Tot.
Shh. Piste
Luna.
Bukas pa tayo matatapos nito.
Damn.
Oh, shit.
Sir, someone hit me. I will
Yo,
hit
sir,
you.
someone hit us, sir. Sir.
Sir.
Someone hit us.
Damn, from the wall.
Oy, tol.
They hit me.
Tol, isang beses lang isang taser ha. Isang beses lang isang taser. So, kada drop ng taser,
Yes, travel.
yeah, so kada drop ng taser, isang hit lang.
Bakit kailangan mag-taser, tol?
Baka maingay, makinig na lang.
I can hear because the car.
Sir, I don't have ammo.
Sa ganun kahaba,
Ammo.
taser mo.
He has no ammo, sir.
Sir, I need to buy some ammo.
I'll go first, sir.
I'm your ammo,
Bakit kailangan magpa-taser?
Off the car. Oh.
Practice nga.
Yo, bro. You're so nosy, bro.
The car is...
Tol.
Guys, please do not test through the wall, please.
Roger, sir. And then, sir?
Okay, you can taser no, bro. Taser, bro. One hit,
Taser mo.
yeah. No. Okay. You know what you use, bro? Gamitin mo yung, alam mo yung aim mo. Wag yung aim yung gamitin mo tula. Alam mo yung fire mo. Tignan mo yung likod niya. Tignan mo yung likod niya. Tapos yung karakter niya. Dapat naka-center yan tula. Tapos taserin mo. Drop.
Oh.
You don't need to drop your taser anymore because you didn't tase. But once you're ready, you can, pwede mo na siyang taser.
Roger.
Like that.
Who keep teasing through the wall, bro? Stop it.
It's loud.
Y'all gotta listen, bro. Y'all gotta listen.
I can hear the advice.
It's going crazy for now, for sure, bro. Please stop the teasing.
Please. The car is loud.
It's okay now, sir. I can do it now.
Hey, get a little closer.
Hey, officer.
Right. Come over here.
The car is loud.
No, come over
Sir,
here.
the car is loud, sir.
The car is loud.
You can't hear
Yeah,
the
very good.
instruction.
Is that okay, sir?
Ang inaano ba yan? Paano
Sir.
ba yan?
Piece off the car. Piece off the car. Turn up.
Umuulan na ng kapogian. Tatakbo na ako.
Sir?
Sana all baliw.
Dun ka. Where do you want her to stay, sir? Right there? Oh. Pre. Punta ka doon sa wall, pre.
Roger,
Sa wall
roger.
ka to. Luna. Halika dito, balik ka dito. Gas spring, punta ka sa wall. Dito ka, pre.
Benting,
Dito
dito
ka.
bumalik ka nga.
Okay, ngayon pre, tatakbo-takbo na siya, tapos pwede mo na, drop your taser, pre, and then, kailangan mo siyang i-taser.
What? He speak English, bro. What do you mean?
We explain
can-
for a fastest, fastest conversation.
Okay.
Lapit ka to, lapitan mo.
Drop mo na naman, tol. Lapitan mo. Yun, very good.
Is that alright, sir? Thank you.
Let
Kahit
me
isang
try.
ano lang, kahit isang drop lang.
If you guys,
Dito,
I gotta
Tol
walk.
Luna. Dito,
Walker,
tatlo
I
lang
got-
sa akin. Tol Luna,
Go
dito
stay
ka
with boy. Boy.
if you
Boy
fast, come
motorist.
here.
Dito. Come over.
Dito, Tol.
Yeah, stay here. If you guys fast, please stay here.
Kuya Mia, maduga kang hayop ka.
You want me to do mine, sir?
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, I'll just be assisting everybody then. I'll just over. Drop. Ano, tol?
Lapitan mo, tol.
Drop again. Drop your taser again. Lapitan mo, tol. Ang ina, ba't naman ako?
Lapitan mo.
Tol, ano?
Easy.
Yung... But every taser, tol, you, try to drop your macros.
Alright.
Tatado, papatay doon. Alright. Drop your taser, sir. And then, once you're ready,
Tag sa inyo, okay.
a little closer, right here, sir. Dito, para mas ano. Drop taser macros.
Nandito ako sa PD. Ang tagal na ito. May training ko. Malula. Diba?
Yun.
Sabi sa'yo, mag-apply ka na eh.
Tinitaser nga namin kayo. Tagal-tagal.
Wala mo, nandito kami sa floor 0.
Nasa parking kayo?
Wait lang.
Damn!
I will be back. I will charge my phone.